So I'm going to try another unboxing video. The first one was stupid and it sucks, and this one's going to be stupid and it sucks too. I'm not going to do any mumbo jumbo or any of that bullshit of why I got the guitar and all that shit, but it's Jackson USA Warrior, and I just got it, and let's see what we got. Oh boy, finally. Let's see what the case looks like. So that's the Jackson case that the Warrior comes in. Let's open it up and see what we got. Very, very nice case, holy cow. Whoa. Even my dog seems to like it. Let's see what we got. And there she is. Get out of there. Holy cow. Let me see if I can flip this video around. Nope. Can't. So, take it out and show you what we got so that there's no sun in the way. Whoa. There you go. Unbelievable. Absolutely gorgeous. So the only mumbo jumbo I will go over, so you already know the specs. If you're looking for Jackson USA Warrior, you already know the specs. You already know that the craftsmanship that it has, and it's a neck through. It's just absolutely gorgeous guitar. The only pitch that I will give is where I did purchase it, which happens to be one of the best guitar stores that I've seen in the US. That's, I believe it's pronounced actually chondroguitars.com, CHONDRO.com, or chondroguitars.com. Randall, the owner, is extremely dedicated to guitar fans, especially metal fans, and he accommodates. He's got only the best guitars. That's it.